If you want to create a terrace or a step on your, for example, hill or mountain, you can use the terrace. You need something to give that. For example, we bring it hill. This is our hill. Auto level it to refresh its height. And if you want to add a terrace or a step, you can give the output of your hills or any other node to the terrace. Now, as you can see, you can simply create a step. Nice. You can change the scale of these steps more and more. Oh, sorry, I changed the scale of the terrace. You can change the terrace. As you can see, it's in scale of that more, or change the scale of that small terrace. You can increase or decrease the number of the terrace here. Lower number, we have more bigger step. You can change them uniformly. It means the space between them are uniformly or not. You can change around. For example, this step it's taller than this. You can change the stepness. It means it's create more flattened shape like this. 100% or less. It's give it a smoother at the edges. Intensity of that. It means how powerful that step are. For example, there are more slope if you want. Or you can activate soft fall off or reprocess. The reprocess is interesting. It's double the power of the terrace. You can process like residual. It's creating randomly it creates some steps there, or combine the steps with the main hill, as you can see. Or you can gentle it. Nice. And here you can change the random positioning and deforming the terrace. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.